I'm going to start tearing up the garden here with Jason's help. Yeah. To start digging it up with the backhoe, and then I can come back with a tiller and do a little bit finer of a job. Is that right, Jason?
Yep.
All right. Right.
So we're still digging out this hole, making the garden a little bit bigger for this planting season.
Yeah.
There's the backhoe that we've been using, and so I did that with my channel too. I kept recording for my channel. Mine ended up being a 13 minute and 30 second video. There's the chickens.
What'd you name them?
I haven't figured out a name yet.
Yep, you're getting them. So I did the rough job, did the rough stuff, but garbage where the house used to be still, so got a little more to do. So I did, I dug it up yesterday with the backhoe, and then today I did it with a rototiller, and now there's a mess of rocks and bricks out here I gotta clean up, so let's hop to it. Stuff like this, the rototiller isn't enjoying going over. Well, 50 by 50, so 2,500 square foot of tillable garden space, and yeah, I'm just gonna, it's supposed to rain in the next day or two, so I'm just gonna let it rain and soak up some water.